Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal ML. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out these three different roof cars from Para64 and Mini GT. I've had these for a little while now and I want to crack them open and take a look here at them. Let's get started. We'll go ahead here and first open up the original. This says it's one of 4,800 of these that they made, and is basically the yellow bird, and it says it's in blossom yellow, and it looks awesome already from what I can see of it. Just got to find my razor blade here to cut this open. I don't know where my razor is. All right, now that I have this out of the pack, it is absolutely awesome. Of course, it is die-cast metal with a plastic base. Rubber tires. One tire there was coming off. Looks really, really nicely detailed. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be the actual original yellow bird. It looks to me like it's a little, there's a few things a little different on it to me when I'm looking at it, but because I believe they did remake a couple different yellow birds, but either way, I think even if this is paying tribute to it, it's pretty darn close to the original yellow bird. Lots of nice details on it. Even a little roof logo on the front there. Really nice. All right, we'll move on to the next one. And I like this. They give you a little box here you can store it in then if you need to. We'll move on to the this is, to me, is more like the original yellow bird here, CTR1. I think that other one was just a tribute one. I don't know, does it say? I forget what it said on the pack. It doesn't even tell you anywhere. Was it just says, yeah, anniversary, CTR anniversary. So that was, this one was like a remake, I guess, that they did. I don't know if they sold out to clients or what, but anyway. So this is supposed to be the original CTR. I was gonna say, because the other wheels didn't match. This is how I remember the original yellow bird looking, like this. And the mirrors actually look a little larger on the other one too, and it has, of course, has the black rubber lip on the duckbill. I believe the original yellow bird though did have the two vents in the back. But this is absolutely awesome though, the details on this, especially for the money. Door handles are painted nicely black. Freaking awesome. So there it is off the base. It does say CTR1 on the bottom, plastic base, metal body, rubber tires, and they are very, very accurate wheels that are on it. Simply awesome. The taillights are actually a separate piece of plastic in there. It's not just painted. That, to me, the attention to detail on this is pretty amazing. I mean, that looks very, very realistic. So we'll put that there, and we'll put them all up on the turntable together then when I'm done. So we have CTR2 up next, which, of course, this was based on the 993 body style. And it has, of course, hints of the 959 and some of the design elements to it. They went to larger wheels. Have the little roof logo on the hood right here. Headlights look pretty good. It does also have a separate tail light panel made out of like a clear red plastic, which is really nicely done. All right, now we have all three of them up on the turntable. We have the CTR 1 Anniversary, CTR 1, and CTR 2. Very, very, very cool. Quite interesting to have this evolution of cars all together. I would like to see if someone makes the original Yellowbird version. That would be pretty wicked to have as well, but the anniversary one's pretty darn close. But the original Yellowbird, I'm pretty sure had the two vents in the back like that anniversary one. And if you've never seen the video, there's Stefan Rossen, I believe was the driver who drove the Yellowbird on Nürburgring, and I believe the video was done in '87. If you haven't seen that on YouTube, make sure you look it up. It's absolutely awesome. I'll put the link down below if I can find a clip of it. And it's pretty crazy. Lots of burn off the tires at very, very high speeds. It was an impressive car and still is an impressive car today. I believe it was one of the first Porsches that was based off of a production shell, I should say 911 shell, because they're actually registered as their own manufacturer in Germany. They're not known as Porsches there, and but it was one of the first, I believe, it could hit over 200 miles an hour using a 911 shape. Outside the factory racing team, obviously, but very, very impressive cars. So thanks for coming along with me to check these out. I appreciate it. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all good stuff. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it's free. Can't be free. I'm getting faster doing my spiel. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. That was a good one. All right, you guys have a good night. Let me know down below what you think of these. Pretty cool. All right, bye now.